Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. I'm back, guys. I am back. Super excited to be back to talk about 10x, the 10x income system. Okay, you guys saw me basically introduce it to you, so I'm back with an update and some more results from our 10x members, as well as some results for myself. But let's talk about it real quick. And then I had a few questions where some people called me and I want to answer those questions as well. So it's getting a lot of buzz, the 10x income system. I think we have over 400 and something members. We're going to go in that Facebook group in a minute, but it is getting a lot of buzz and it's going viral very quickly. So this system is an all-inclusive done-for-you system. It is a total system that includes, so we're going to go over that. You get the website, okay, which is like the one you're looking at here. Okay, you're going to get the same website, and I'm following my notes so I don't miss anything. You get your traffic, okay, the traffic resource. Okay, so the $297 does not include the traffic package. So those are some questions that I got today. The $297 gets you the actual system, allows you to resell this system. The traffic resource is included in there. You can't get the traffic a la carte, okay? So you have to get this system for $297 to get access to it. Once you get access to it, then you're going to purchase your traffic package, okay? So you get a website that they're going to create that's going to be coded to you and tied into one of the payment processors, all right? And everything is done for you. They're going to set up the website. They're going to market. They're going to send out ads, place ads to market the system. Okay. And the ads are placed on Google. So they're going to be Google ads. So this is going to be real live traffic. Okay. And so what we have here and why it's getting a great bit of buzz, not to mention that the price point is awesome, $297 to get started. But it's attractive. You know why it's attractive is because it's a lot of people out here that need help marketing. So being that this system includes the marketing, that's what make people sign up, because they're like, hey, I'm not good at marketing, so this is perfect. So I will pay the company. That's what they're saying. Hey, people are saying, I would love to pay a company to do the marketing for me. So that's what makes it very attractive to everybody, especially some newbies or people that have struggled to make money online. Okay, so it's an awesome system. You get your back office where you can get your system set up. So I want to go over a few things with you. We've had a change in the traffic package. Okay, so we used to have 4, but as of the 20th, it's changed to 3 packages. So let me go over to my notes real quick so that I can go over that with you. Okay, so let's talk about those traffic packages. Okay, 3 traffic packages now. So for $60, you get 5,000 visitors with 2 links. Okay, for the 110, you get 4 links and 10,000 visitors. For $200, you get 8 links and 20,000 visitors. Okay, so it's down to 3 packages. So just pick a package, get started. So let's talk about this real quick. It is an all-in-one system, as I stated, the done-for-you system. And so let me talk about the additional charge for the website. You will have to pay for that. So you're looking at $297, okay, for that whole system, and $19.95 a month for your website. Okay, so the website you'll pay monthly, but the $297 is one time. All right, and then you pick a package, $60, $110, or $200. That's it for the month. You're good to go. Okay, but what she has added is you can buy multiple traffic packages. Okay, so you may decide today I want the $60. You don't have to wait 30 days. You can go maybe next week, hey, I want the 110 package. Okay, so you can order multiple package, and it cannot exceed, I want to say 10,000, 100,000 clicks as the total. Okay, So let me check that. Hang on a second. Yes, I was correct. So a sum of up to 100,000 total clicks. Okay. So you can order $60 worth this week, and then maybe you go next week, or whenever you want to order more, you can do that. In other words, there's no cap on that, except when it reaches up to the 100,000 clicks in total. All right. So this is a simple system. They're going to do the marketing for you. I can't say that enough. But the 3 steps. So what are we talking about with our 3 steps? So let's go back over to my notes real quick, and then we're going to take a look at some proof payments that have come in. All right. So what steps are we talking about? Because it's 3 steps to get started. Request your 10x system. Once you pay the $297, you log into your back office. I'll show you that in a second. Request your system. They're going to set it up for you. Just follow the videos to tell you what they need from you. Once you receive that, once you submit that, you're going to wait. Remember, I talked about that. It could be up to 7 days to get your referral link. Okay. So that will be step 2. Once you get your referral link, you go back into your back office and you would order your traffic. That would be step 3. And the campaign to run that, you could be on the rotation. You could be on the list for rotation up to maybe 5 to 7 days again. Okay. So you must be patient if you're going to get into this, because a lot of people are signing up. So we got a backlog of people that's joining. They have to create everybody's website. Okay. So be patient if you decide you want to get started. So simple system for $297 plus $19.95. Purchase your traffic. You'll do that from the back office. And again, these are Google ads. These are the ads they're running are ads where people are actually going to Google and typing how to make money online, work from home, all these type of things. Okay. So they're looking for us, and all of our links are in the rotation. Okay. It's in a rotation. So that way everybody gets a chance to make sales, guys. Can't get any simpler than that. All right, so let's go in the back office real quick. Okay, as you can see, I'm in my back office. I'm right there. I'm going to move this over. Once you log in, be sure to check your email, your spam folder as well once you actually purchase your system, because they're going to email you with your link. So be on the lookout for that. So once you get that, you're going to get your traffic. But before that, your email is going to be your login. So you're going to get your login information first, right? Then you log in here. And you look to the left here and follow these steps. Okay, how to set it up, and then how to submit your information via Stripe or PayPal. Okay, so she has video tutorial step by step how to do this. So follow that and take your time. Be patient with it, because it's some sensitive information that you're going to need to provide them, and you need to make sure you copy paste it correctly. Otherwise, your payment button is not going to work correctly. Okay. Okay. So take your time with that. But it's a very simple process. It only takes maybe 5 minutes or less to get that set up. And then you sit back and you wait for your email with your referral link. Okay. Now, let's go take a look at some results that I have received from the last time I spoke with you. Got 2 sales in 1 day. Just sharing this because remember, I just got my traffic ordered. It hasn't started yet, so I'm just simply sharing this with people. Okay, take a look. Okay, if you look right here, it will say super checkout. So I had 2 payments, one at 11:30 and then one at 4. So before lunchtime, $297 came in, then another $297 came in at 4:36, guys. Okay, simply sharing this with people. All right, so let's go take a look at some more Facebook proof of members making money. Hang on. Okay, let's look at some more proof of people. Here's Sierra, 2 sales within a little over 24 hours. One from traffic, and one is organic. Okay, so guys, this is right here. See? Okay, and that's the 20th. 2 sales. Okay, so people are making sales with the traffic or without. Here's someone else, Michael, $297. I love this system. Okay. Congratulations to him. All right, let's see if we can go down and find some more. Hang on a second. Okay, here's another person. guess ya, got my first organic sale. Organic means she shared it with some folks and she got a sale. So that's what I'm saying. You could share this just by making a post. So she got her first sale by just simply sharing it. All right, let's continue. Okay, here's another one. Eric, congratulations, Eric. First organic traffic. Let's go. Can't wait to be put in the rotator. So he got a sale from just sharing it. Okay. So let's look at one more, and then I want to show you guys something. Okay, Courtney. Congratulations to Courtney. She says, I have made almost 7K in just barely 4 weeks. I came in when it first launched. Okay, so she's working the business. This is both organic sales as well as traffic sales, guys. Okay, so this is definitely working. People are jumping in. All right, so let me show you something I had made. If you're interested in this, once you join me, I'll send you over, refer you to a gentleman that made this for me. It's not going to have the sound because I have music on it and I can't play the music, but just check this out. All right. Okay, so this may be something you want to have made for you. So here we go. I'm going to leave the sound off. Check it out. It's pretty cool. Okay, so if you guys are interested in having something like that made, when you join, just reach out to me. I want you to reach out to me even when you join so that I can welcome you aboard. But I'll refer you to the gentleman that made that for me. It's actually a video and it has music in it. It's really cool. As well as we have the little flyers. You've probably seen me post, has my picture on it. It has done for you and, you know, that type of thing on it that will be attractive that you can post. But I highly recommend just sharing it with people, guys. But yes, you will have the traffic, but you're gonna be waiting a little bit for it. And I say again, be patient, because if you wait this long, you know, it's not gonna hurt to wait a little bit longer for you to get done for you traffic, a done for you system where you can make these $297 commissions. Okay, so get excited. Get excited. Time is now. So get in. If you have any questions about this, feel free to give me a call. But go ahead and check out the website. Go to www.besteasyworkincome.com and get started with me. And I will see you on the inside of this 10X system, guys. Get excited. Get started. All right, see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. I'll keep you guys posted on what's going on with the system, but just make sure you subscribe to the channel. All right, till next time, be safe out there. I'll see you on the next video. Have a blessed day.